IFIM has done more global good than we ever imagined. One of my proudest accomplishments is having been part of the team that launched the world's first pure social bond in 2006. The idea was to create a new financing mechanism that would tap the vast resources of the private sector to raise funding on a large scale. This funding would be put to work immediately to reverse stagnating vaccination indices among children in poorer countries. IFIM's first vaccine bond raised $1 billion for Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance. This funding put Gavi on a fast track to deliver underused vaccines to children, from pentavalent and polio to measles and meningitis. This has saved more lives faster. Over the years, IFIM has contributed 1/6 of Gavi's program funding, and it is making a difference. For example, IFIM has contributed $84 million to HPV vaccine programs, protecting millions of women and girls from cervical cancer. During the COVID-19 pandemic, IFIM tested its versatility in ways we couldn't have foreseen 17 years ago. IFIM galvanized $1 billion in early resources for COVAX to fight the fast-moving pandemic in 2020. And in a visionary 2019 transaction, IFIM raised $271 million for the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, or CEPI, to research vaccines for deadly diseases. Now, IFIM is looking ahead. That means preparing for future emergencies. As one example, Gavi is working with IFIM and others to develop contingent financing. This is funding on standby to be unlocked once an emergency occurs. And IFIM is also helping Gavi manage its finances and vaccine procurement more efficiently through its support of a Gavi guarantee facility that will decrease Gavi's needs to make upfront cash payments for vaccines, enabling the Alliance to purchase more vaccines sooner and immunizing more children. IFIM is a model for humanitarian financing that works for investors and donors, saving lives with a good rate of return. IFIM is innovative financing for the global good.